Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the chip and board are ready. Inspect pads under magnification and remove any loose debris. Once done, mask nearby parts with Kapton tape and position a gentle preheater at about 100–120 degrees C to reduce thermal shock. Next, apply generous liquid flux to pads and the component. This promotes wetting. Then set your hot air to the recommended range, typically 250–300 degrees C for leaded, 300–320 degrees C for lead-free, and you heat the chip evenly, moving the nozzle in a small circular pattern to prevent one side from overheating, and wait until the solder becomes shiny and liquid. At that moment, lift the component straight up with fine ESD-safe tweezers. Do not drag. Once removed, wick excess solder from the pads using braid and add more flux to aid removal. Then clean the pads with solvent or flux remover and inspect pad integrity and planarity under a magnifier, making sure all solder is gone before placing the new part. You apply a thin, controlled amount of solder paste or small flux dots to each pad, then pick and place the replacement chip with precise alignment. Once aligned, heat with the same focused hot air motion until solder balls coalesce and joints visibly wet. Maintain steady motion and avoid overheating. After you stop heating, allow the board to cool naturally to room temperature. Then clean flux residue, inspect every joint under magnification, and test the circuit. If you see solder bridges or cold joints, reflow quickly or remove excess solder with braid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.